ऑल इंडिया बार एसोसिएशन का चेयरमैन तथा सिनियर एडभोकेट डाक्टर अदिश सी अग्रवाल आफ्नो 2 दिने दार्जिलिङ भ्रमणपछि आज दिल्ली फर्केका छन्। उनी पहाडबाट फर्किने क्रममा मिरिक महकुमाको फुवागढी उच्चतर माध्यमिक विद्यालयमा आफ्नो गरिमामय उपस्थिति दिए। बिहानको प्रार्थना सभामा उनलाई विद्यालय परिवारले खदा लगाई न्यानो स्वागत जनायो। सोही क्रममा विद्यालयका शिक्षक प्रभारी पेमा लामाले खदा लगाई उनलाई न्यानो स्वागत जनाउँदै भारत लगायत लन्डनमा उनले आज जुन सेवा पुर्याउन सफल बनेका छन् यो हाम्रो इतिहासमा एउटा उदाहरणीय कार्य हो भनी बताएका छन्। डाक्टर अदिश सी अग्रवाल विश्वको 150 वटा देशमा आफू घुमिसकेका छन्। आफ्नो भ्रमणको अवधिमा उनी शैक्षिक प्रतिष्ठान र जेल सुधार गृहमा गएर उनीहरूको अनुभवहरू सुन्ने कार्य गरेको उनले विद्यार्थी साथै शिक्षक शिक्षिकाहरूलाई बताएका छन्।
र तिमीले उहाँले आज जे पनि भन्नुहुन्छ तिमीले सुन्नु नै भाग्यको कुरा हो। किनभने ठुलो ठुलो औदा भएको मान्छेले पनि उहाँको एड्रेस सुन्नु हतपत पाउँदैन र उहाँको एड्रेस तिमीले आज बिहान सुन्नु पाउनु भनेको भाग्यको कुरा हो। सो तिमीले राम्रोसँग सुन्नु बुझ्नु। सो आई रिक्वेस्ट डाक्टर आशिष अग्रवाल टु एड्रेस फर आवर स्टुडेन्ट्स।
मोस्ट रेस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल ऑफ दिस prestigious school, higher secondary school, Mr. Pema Lama and other teachers. I am privileged to be in your school because this is my first visit to Darjeeling. Although I have traveled more than 150 countries many times and most of India, because I have been in charge of legal education in India, and I am also the president of International Council of Jurists, which is having headquarters in London, and all judges, not only of India, the President, the Chief Justice of International Court of Justice, judges of International Court of Justice, judges, Chief Justice of United Kingdom, Chief Justices of other countries, they are participating in our conferences in India, in UK and other parts of the world. As I told you, I travel a lot. Wherever I travel, I used to visit not the colleges, prisons. When we visit these institutions, then we can only understand the real life, what is happening in that area. Yesterday I was talking to the SSP, Mr. Nimbalkar of Darjeeling. I inquired from him what type of crime is happening in this part of country. So when I visit, talk to students like you, then we can really understand what is the financial status of that area. I found in you that your area is very rich, because from the face of the students, from the uniform of the students, it can be judged. So every one of you, I see in your eyes that you want to rise. You want to do a lot for the national integration, for development of the country. Your people have played major role in development of promotion of India. Still a lot has to be done. I have observed your Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has done a lot. So many powers have been given to your autonomous bodies in this Darjeeling area. It has been converted to autonomous bodies have been given so many powers so that your local people can provide basic necessities to the citizens. Now, when I'm going to law colleges, I see that students are not actually attending the classes. I am happy in your area, not only here in Siliguri also, our law colleges are functioning properly. And if you are sincere to your studies at this time, Minister, you can become President of India, you can become Chief Minister, you can become Chief Justice of India, you can rise to any extent provided you dedicate your time to the studies. At this moment, your primary job is to study, to develop your mentality, your vision, and if you will devote this now, when you will have good marks, you can be selected as Indian Administrative Service Officer, you can be Chief Secretary of the state, you can be Cabinet Secretary of Government of India, provided you work hard. When teachers are teaching, it is your duty that when your parents are spending too much money, you are coming from remote areas, when you are coming to the school, I know someone will be coming from 10 kilometers, somebody will be coming from about 5 kilometers, on foot also you are coming. It is not that you will be, your house is well connected with the school, that directly you will, I seen yesterday that Zoom or what, which is the highest place, many students were waiting there to go to their homes from school. When you are working so hard, your parents are spending too much money on your clothes, on your food. Government is spending too much money on your education. Don't we think only your parents are spending. That money, that fees is not sufficient to run the college.